Learn the general shortcut command palette, which is Ctrl+Shift+P, Ctrl+Shift+P, or Command+Shift+P on Mac to quickly access your various commands or features in VS Code. Second, to quickly open is Ctrl+P. In Mac is Command+P to open files by tapping part of the file's name. Open settings, which is Ctrl+Command+Command to access the panel settings to customize your workflow. Second, the navigation. So go to file is Ctrl+P, Ctrl+P, Ctrl+P to go to file and type CSS and type it in CSS. So let's learn the navigation. Go to definition, which is F12. Go to line. Go to line, which is Ctrl+G. Go to symbol, which is Ctrl+Shift. To go to symbols. Learn the editing shortcut. Copy line down. To copy line down, Shift+Alt+Down. To move file up or down is Alt+Up. Let's try it. Let's do this for example. Alt+Down, up. To delete line is Ctrl+Shift+K. To delete the current line. Learn file management. To create a new file, Ctrl+N. To save file, Ctrl+S. Then to close the editor window is Ctrl. To close the editor of the current editor tab is Ctrl+W. To split your terminal is Ctrl+/. To close the terminal is Ctrl+W. Subscribe.